Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing topology and collecting parts. Class AB for warmth or Class D for efficiency. Once chosen, mount the transformer on the chassis and attach PCB standoffs so components clear the metal. Make sure to position the heatsink where airflow will reach it. Poor placement causes thermal shutdown. You will also strip and tin speaker and input wires now, because soldering later is faster with prepared leads. Keep the chassis grounded to reduce hum and for safety. You'll solder the preamp and driver stages next, verifying polarity and component orientation to avoid damage. Once done, wire the power supply, bridge rectifier to filter capacitors, and then to the plus/rails. Use a star ground to limit noise. Connect output transistors with insulating pads and torque their hardware properly. This prevents shorts while ensuring thermal contact. Adjust the bias network slowly while monitoring idle current, and attach the thermal sensor to the heatsink so the amplifier can protect itself. You finish by verifying continuity and looking for solder bridges. Measure DC offset at speaker outputs and correct if beyond tens of millivolts. Power up with a current-limited supply or series lamp, run a low-level tone, and confirm channels drive correctly. Make sure idle current is set and stable as the heatsink warms. If temperatures climb, reduce bias and recheck assembly. Finally, secure connectors and label channels. If you hear hum, check grounding and eliminate ground loops first, then probe power rails for ripple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.